Hello everyone, today we're looking at Shortmax. This app is a part of a huge trend in short-form dramas. These are the shows designed for people who want to watch a full story but don't have time. The app offers thousands of original short plays. Most episodes are only about a minute long. They cover popular topics like romance, billionaires, and even supernatural stories. The stories are fast and very addictive. It's basically a TikTok but with a real plot that keeps going. The acting is actually decent for this type of content, and the high quality production makes the shows look professional. Shortmax uses a coin system to unlock shows. You got a few free episodes at the start of the series. After that, you have to use coins. You can get these by watching ads or buying them with real money. One common complaint is that the app doesn't tell you the price of the next episode until you run out. This can lead to spending more than you plan. Many users feel the app is quite expensive. To finish a single series with 100 episodes, you might spend a lot of money. They offer a weekly pass, but many people have reported bugs with it. Some users say they paid for a pass but didn't get their coins. Others struggle to cancel the subscription because the app makes the process confusing. Shortmax is good if you want a quick, guilty pleasure show. The dramas are fun and easy to watch during a break. However, you should be very careful with your wallet. The costs add up very fast, and the customer support can be hard to reach if something goes wrong. If you decide to try it, it might be better to watch the daily ads for free coins instead of linking your credit card right away. It's a fun app for entertainment, but the high price tag is a major downside for most casual viewers. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.